Today we are going to see box plots and how they can help us illustrate the distribution of a dataset, summarizing all the information we need in a single plot. A box plot looks like this. We need to define first some elements in order to be able to draw it. The first quartile, or Q1, which is equal to the value under which 25% of data points are found when they are arranged in increasing order. The third quartile, or Q3, which is equal to the value under which 75% of data points are found when they are arranged in increasing order. The median, which is equal to the value which 50% of data points are found above and the rest 50% below when they are arranged in increasing order. So until now we have the three basic quartiles. Of course, the fourth one is very easy to compute since it's equal to the maximum of our dataset, but actually it's useless. So we have the Q1, or first quartile, the median, or second quartile, and the Q3, or the third quartile. Another important element of a box plot is the interquartile range, or IQR. IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Then we need to compute the maximum, which is equal to Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, and the minimum, which is equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. Everything above maximum and below minimum is perceived as outlier, and it's noted as a simple dot or asterisk. Thank you very much for watching. If you want more videos about statistics and data analytics, stay tuned.